10 picks, 1 word. Let's go. First one.
Fearsome. Fearsome?
Fearsome din.
Pwede ba yun?
Sige lang.
Pwede mo ulit?
Sige lang.
Crash Bandicoot. Crazy. Iba-iba yung sinasabi ko. Okay lang, okay ba?
Okay lang.
Adventure. RPG. Ang dami ng words dun, ha? 3 words yun, ha?
Hindi. One word lang yun eh.
One word. Adventure. 3D. Pwede ba yun?
Mm.
Sonic. Adventure.
So, anong maisip mo?
3D. Adventure.
Okay, so that was it for our 10 picks, 1 word.